Hello, my children. Today we will learn how to use relative pronouns. Do you remember who and where? We took them before, but we took them as question words. This time we will use them as relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. What's the meaning of relative pronouns? And why I use relative pronouns? I use who or which relative pronouns to connect two sentences. If I have two sentences and I want to make them one, so I use what? Relative pronouns. We will take together today who and where. So I use who or which to connect two sentences together. I use who to refer to a subject in the sentence. And I use where to refer to a place. So who and where are relative pronouns. I use them to connect two sentences. Let's learn how. Pay attention. When I use them after who, I use what? I put a verb. And after where, I put a complete sentence. Subject, verb, object, if I have. For example, look at this sentence. Mr. Ahmed is a teacher. So it's a sentence. Another sentence about Mr. Ahmed. He teaches English. So what is the subject? In the first sentence, I have Mr. Ahmed. In the second sentence, he. So I want to connect the two sentences to make one sentence. I'm going to use who. So your first sentence will be the same. Mr. Ahmed is a teacher. Delete the dot and delete he because he refers to the subject. And use what? Who. So Mr. Ahmed is a teacher who, what is the verb? Teaches. Who teaches English. So now I have only one sentence. Mr. Ahmed is a teacher who teaches English. Another example. My uncle is a pilot. He flies airplanes. So my uncle is the subject in the first sentence. And he is subject also in the second sentence. So I'm going to use who. And after who, I use what? Verb. So your first sentence will be, my uncle is a pilot. Delete dot and connect with who. Who. What is the verb? Flies. Who flies airplanes? Another example. This is my house. House, what's house? It's a place. Yes. I live in it. I live in it. So, house and it here refers to what? To the house. So, it's a place. I use where. The first sentence will be the same. This is my house. Delete dot and connect with where. This is my house where I live in. I didn't write it because it refers to the house. Where, after where, I write a complete sentence. I is the subject. Live is the verb. Live in. Another example. There is a park. You can run and play there. So where is the place? Park. And there refers to what? To refer to the park. So the first sentence will be the same. There is a park. Where? Connect with where. A complete sentence where you can run and play. I will not write there. Why, miss? Because there refers to the park. There is a park where you can run and play. So pay attention that after who, I put a verb. Because who refers to what? To a subject. And after where, I write a complete sentence. Subject, verb, and object if I have. Now, let's rewrite the following sentences using the words in brackets. Number 1. My father is an architect. He designs buildings. Use who? So, where is the subject here? My father. And where is the subject here? He. So, the first sentence will be the same. My father is an architect. Delete dot and connect with who? Who? Where is the verb? Designs. Who designs buildings? Another one. Number 2. Here is a restaurant. Here is a restaurant. You can have meals in it. Restaurant is what? Place. Yes. And here we have it. Refers to the restaurant. Use where. So here is a restaurant. Delete dot. Where you can have meals in. Number 3. He is a waiter. He is a waiter. He works in a big restaurant. So use who. So look at the subject. He is a waiter. So he is the subject. He also here is the subject. So the first sentence will be the same. He is a waiter who works, the verb, who works in a big restaurant. Number 4. People can report crimes at the police station. People can report crimes at the police station. Start with the police station is. So what's a police station? Is a subject or place? It's a place. So the police station is a place where people, subject, where people can report crimes. Number 5, she is a doctor. She helps sick people. Use who? Subject here is she, and in the second sentence also is she. So the first sentence will be the same. She is a doctor. Connect with who? And then the verb helps. Who helps sick people? Excellent, boys and girls, and thanks for watching. Wait for the next lesson. Bye bye.